with a screw in his mouth. Screw. Hey, dude. Dude. What are you doing? Hey, get that up. Fox in the neighborhood. A concerned citizen. Ah, my bride is so sweet. She waited on me. She saw that I was in fox pursuit. Thank you, babe. That's not babe. That's DUFUS. Hey, DUFUS.
Go ahead.
DUFUS, what are you doing, DUFUS? It's DUFUS, everybody. It's DUFUS. I wonder if DUFUS saw the fox. What do you think, guys? Let's see if DUFUS saw the fox. Did you see the fox? Did you see the fox?
What did you say?
Did you see the fox?
Oh, where was it?
You didn't see. So did you see me driving down past the house?
Yeah, why did you go down there?
Oh, because I was chasing a fox.
Oh. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Recording what?
You.
Why?
Because I'm weird.
Why you park so car? Why you park so close?
Hey, come help me bring in a couple of things.
All right.